What's up guys, I'm here in my salon and I want to try the Henna Brow Code Kit. I've tried different henna products and I was disappointed because they don't tint the skin, and hopefully this one will tint the skin. So we're gonna try it out. I have the henna sitting now. It's already mixed up. This kit you have to like mix it up yourself. They come in like little capsules and you just open it and then you mix it with the rose water. And then next it says that I have to cleanse my brows with this brow cleanser. Packaging looks like that. So let's do that. And it just says to wipe. Obviously I have no makeup on. Then it says I need to exfoliate my brows with the brow scrub. It says, I'll read it. Gently exfoliate the brow area using the brow scrub. This fruit enzyme exfoliant is essential to remove any buildup of dead skin cells and allows henna to create more even and long-lasting stain. Remove all traces from skin and brows using damp cotton round. Alright, let's try it. Oh, this is a nice scrub. Alright, we're nice and scrubbed. Let me zoom you in. Nice and clean and scrubbed. Okay, next is the henna application. Once dry, carefully apply the first layer of henna to one eyebrow at a time to create your desired shape. Apply the second layer to each brow and keep the area moist by applying small amounts of henna paste or rose water to the brow, which allows henna to continue to develop during this time. For a deeper stain, apply a third layer. Allow henna to develop on the brows for a total of 15 to 25 minutes. Okay. So that's one layer. I think I'm done. I'm gonna stop fucking with it because they're just getting bigger and bigger. I cleaned it up with a pointy Q-tip. It says to wait 15 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna wait the full 25 minutes because, like I said, I've had bad experiences with this in the past. So I'm gonna do my pedicure and I'll be back for the reveal. So it's been a little over 20 minutes. It feels stiff and dried up like the last brand I used. So then the next step, it just says remove moist henna with damp cotton round. Wipe the henna from each brow in gentle motion from head to tail of the brow. Be careful not to scrub back and forth as this can remove the henna stain. We'll see. Got my damp. It's stained, but clearly not as dark as my natural brows. That part is stained for sure. Let's try the other side. If you ask me, it just looks like dirty. I'm so disappointed with these quote-unquote brow tints that stain the skin because they don't do it. They don't do a good job. This is where I'm at. Disappointed. Well, if you guys have any suggestions on which ones I should try that actually work, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, See you in my next video. Peace out. What's up, guys? This is day 2 that I've done the henna brow, and I will zoom you in. Don't mind me, because clearly I have some type of breakout going on, but the henna, as you can see, did not hold on my eyebrows or my skin, and it broke me out. So if you can see, I'm like red and I got bumps, and it's just really dry and really itchy. And so this is the second henna I've tried, and clearly I think I'm just allergic to henna on my face. So this just goes to show that not everything that's trending at the moment is for everybody. Clearly I can't get this done. So I just wanted to hop on here and say that the instructions do say to do a like patch test behind your ear, which of course I didn't do, and it's actually kind of harder to do it on yourself too back here, but of course I didn't do it, and now this is what's on my face. The first time I did the henna was actually a lot worse, but I also did a brow because the henna the first time didn't work. I did on top of that a brow tint with like hair color, almost like hair color, but they're in like thinner tubes, and that really burned me. That was more of a chemical burn, and this is more of just like a allergic reaction to the henna. So yeah, you never got this done before, you definitely want to do a patch test first so this doesn't happen to you. I know for my clients, if they've never had this service done, I will absolutely be doing a patch test, because I don't want them to leave with, well, what I have. I mean, luckily with makeup I can cover it, but it's just not pleasant. It's like really itchy, and I have to put hydrocortisone on it to kind of control the itch. So I mean, last time it went away in about a week, so hopefully this time it'll be that or less. Hopefully, we'll see. But yeah, just wanted to hop on and let you guys know the outcome of the henna. Like I said, it's been 2 days now, so hope this helps, and I'll see you in my next video.